In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy BRISE token on Bitmart step by step. So the first step is to go to bitmart.com and you will gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, go to your assets and go to spot and make sure that your USDT is in your spot account. And if you don't have a USDT yet, you can just deposit here. Click deposit and choose what chain you are going to use. And if you don't want to deposit, you can just buy a USDT here. And if you don't have a and if you don't want to deposit your USDT, you can just go here, buy and sell, and choose USDT and choose what options you're going to use, your payment options. And then once you have your USDT in your spot account, go to markets here, and then on the search bar type down BRISE, then click trade, and then you can now type the amount of USDT you want. For example, I want to buy the maximum amount, and also you can choose limit option or market or trigger options, but for this video we're going to choose market. And once you have typed down the amount of USDT you want, click buy BRISE, go to your wallet, your assets here, then click spot, and then type down BRISE. And as you can see, I have now this amount of BRISE in my spot account, and also you can see here the equivalent amount of USD. And if you have any questions about how to buy BRISE token on Bitmart, leave a comment below.